Monsoons are around the corner, and here are a couple of remedies so as to protect yourself and your family from the cough, cold, fever, and the sneezes that do commonly occur. The first one, a preventive remedy, nothing but the golden milk prepared with garden cress, turmeric, and milk. The second one, in case if you've already got the infection, go for tulsi and dry ginger concoction, which is called chukukapi. And if you have been looking for something specific for your child who has been having a lot of phlegm and cough, go for shallot extract with 1 teaspoon of honey or 1 teaspoon of palm sugar water, which will easily take care of the phlegm and the cough.